Apparently, you can now check to see if your date's PP is in a safe zone by using AI. What's up, nerds? Welcome back to AI Fire, your go-to channel for the hottest update and insights in the world of AI. As for today, we're going to test out a new app called Camera. With this new app just launched the past week, you can now check the guy's sexual health status that you're going out with by snapping a picture of the guy PP and let it generate the visual signs of STIs. Camera is actually part of eHealth, which started in 2019. They both use this AI, which is machine learning based mobile platform that's supposed to be about 69 to 90% accurate, which is not a bad number. Basically, eHealth is like your first stop for checking out your sexual health, and then, if you need to, it helps you find nearby clinics to get a full-on screening. Disclaimer: the founder claimed this app to just be a lifestyle app, not a medical. It says here that it does not involve any medical condition or discussion within its framework, and no medical doctors are involved with the current Camera experience. It's a free information service. Take notes of that. Even though, is this for real? I have so many questions about this app. But anyways, we're gonna go test it out right now. So you will need to have your partner permission. Obvious. You snap the picture and wait 60 seconds for the results. It can tell if your dates have herpes, HPV, 4-die spot, more than 10 plus conditions. And out of all, it has ghost mode activated. You just need to set up an anonymous account, then you're ready to use. Well, duh, you don't really want to know if Josh, 26-year-old, has herpes. I mean, as for me, if you want to make sure that your Tinder date is going to be okay, then sure, you go ahead and check him out. But this just has so many problems all at once. First of all, who is gonna ask if they can check their date's PP, not to mention taking a picture and scanning it to see if they have STIs. Second of all, you cannot test it if it's only through visual signs. You have to do like a proper test, like a blood test or a urine test to see if you actually really do have STIs. So tell me what you think about this new app by comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more AI news on AI Fire, where you can get the most important AI news for free.